Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Clean With Me video. I feel like it's been such a long time since I filmed one of these videos because I've been doing other Christmas decor related videos. I hope that this will give you tons of cleaning motivation to get your home ready for the holidays. Don't forget to comment below and say hello. I really love hearing from you guys. Now let's get cleaning. As usual, I'm starting out in the kitchen where I'm putting away some things and then unloading the dishwasher. Now it's time to do some laundry. Here I am doing my weekly bedsheet washing. And I'm putting on a newly washed mattress pad. I do have a fluffier spare one, but I never use it because it needs to be taken to the laundromat. My washer here is a top loader with the agitator, and I'm afraid it will break the washer if I put it in there. So the one you see me putting on here is a thinner one that actually fits fine in the washer at home. Now I'm going to organize my pantry a little bit more. I think overall it's pretty neat, but I've always wanted more of these baskets from IKEA. And since we don't have an IKEA here in South Carolina, we actually did a pit stop at one during our recent Thanksgiving trip to Florida. I like to wipe down the baskets before I put anything in them, just because I'm extra like that. This is what the pantry looks like now. I think when all the baskets and storage containers match, it gives a more organized appearance versus having a whole bunch of mismatched ones. Here is an even closer look. Also, putting food into containers instead of leaving them in their original packaging can help with the eyesore as well. That goes with matching decals for your containers as well, which I will be making soon. We use these yellow rags to clean the cars with. They just stay in the garage, and we also put a few in our cars for drying the car after going through the car wash. They are from Costco and you get a lot for a great price. I'm saving the best for last, which is the oven. This is one of the cleaning tasks that I least enjoy and always put off. I try to clean it monthly or whenever there is a big mess after I've cooked something. Like in this situation, the pan I was baking with was too small, so the cheese bubbled over, so I had to clean it up right away. That is all for this cleaning video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please help me out by giving it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!